Hello and welcome. In this video, we will try to understand a logical question. And the question is print your date of birth using HDL. And you can use any HDL, like you can use VHDL, you can use Verilog HDL, or you can use System Verilog HDL. Just you need to print the date of birth. Now, there are two very powerful operators in HDL, so called as division operator and modulus operator. So the division operator is something that if we perform integer division, then the result is always we will get truncated. Okay, let me repeat. The integer division always truncates. Okay, so for example, if you are dividing something and you are getting the output like 10.32, so this 0.32 will be truncated and the output you will get this 10. Let's take another example. For example, if you are getting the result like 11.99, still you will get the output 11 and this 0.99 will be truncated. So this is what the concept of integer division, very important. Now on the other hand, there is one another powerful operator called as that modulus operator, denoted by this percentage sign, very powerful operator. So with the help of this operator we can get the remainder of any number after division. Okay, so very important. And with the help of these two operators, this modulus operator and this division operator, we will get the this printing of DOB, date of birth. Now let's a random example. For example, if I am taking 17/08/1995, so this 17 is day, this 8 is month, and this 1995 is year. Okay, so we want to print this, and with the help of this modulus operator and division operator we can get the values of this. Now see, first we want to print this day 17. How to get this 17? Very important. For this first we need to declare one integer, right? Integer, let's take a DOB and just provide that 17/08/1995. Okay, and 2 raised to power 32 is big value, right? So we can take this much, doesn't matter. Okay, and after that we want this 17 first, then we want this 08, and then this 1995. So how to get this? We somehow we need to manage, we need to write like 17.08/1995. And we, as you know, integer division always truncates, so this part will be truncated and we will get this 17. How to do that? Very simple. Now I will give you a short trick for this. Now see, this 17 we want, how many digits we want to truncate? This much digits, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digits we want to remove from this, right? So very simple, just take DOB. This is what our DOB, divide this with this 6 digits, right? So take 600 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digits, then 6 zeros. Okay, we want to truncate them and put 1 on this MSB side. Okay, and assign this to, let's take for example, day. Okay, and you need to declare that integer day. Okay, very simple. So when you display this, you will get 17 at the output. Very simple. This part will be truncated. Now see, we want now 17, 8, 19, 95. Okay, now we want to print this 1995, for example, year we want to print. How to do that? This can be achieved by using that modulus operator. Very important and very simple. Now just take year, assign this, take our DOB, this entire, and now we want to take this, right? We want 1995. So somehow we need to remove this 1708. How to remove this 1708? Very simple. Now see, before this 1995, how many digits are there? 80171, right? So 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits are. So for that, just take 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros and put 1 at MSB side and take a modulus of that. Very simple. So if you take something like this, you will get the result after displaying using $display 1995. Very simple. Okay. Now we want this 08. Now it is very interesting. What we want? This 08 we want. How to get this 08? It is also very simple. Now take, first we want to remove this 1995, right? So for removing this, we need to take a division. 4 digits are there, so take 4 zeros, 0 and put 1. Okay, now let me take here. Okay, that month is there, right? Then declare this here, integer month and integer year. Okay, this integer. Now we want this month, right? For that we want to truncate this point, this 1995. For that we have taken 4 zeros and 1. So very simple, right? So DOB divided by this 40 and then 1, and the result of this we need to take a modulus. How? Very simple. Now see, before this 08, 17 is there, right? 17, 2 digits, then take a modulus operator and put 2 zeros and then 1. Very simple. If you do this, at the output you will get 08 after writing a $display. So this is what the concept. Very simple, very interesting. Okay, now we will try to put this concept by taking an example, same example. This date of birth we want to print, and after that we want to print in single line also. We can put by using $display. Now move towards that code. Already I have written a code here in order to save our time. Okay, now see, very interesting. The code is, I have declared a module dob example. Name should be self-explanatory, right? End module dob example. Within that I have declared an integer. If you are using system verilog, you can declare int. Okay, integer dob, that 17 8 1995, and another integer for printing this day, month and year. Within initial begin, the same concept I have applied. Day is equal to dob divided by this 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay, this 6 digits and 6 zeros. So after, and we want to display this day. Okay, very simple, in decimal form. Now see the year, we want this. So first 4 digits we need to take modulus of that. Okay, and we need to put 1 year, and this year we want to print using dollar display. Very simple. Now the month is there, right? So for that, first we need to take this, we need to discard this 4 digits. So for that, take 4 zeros, 1, divide this, and the entire result within parenthesis you need to write, and we need to take a modulus of that with 100, this 2 zeros, and put 1, and just display the month. Very simple. And at the end, if you want to print in within single line, just you can print using day dollar with the help of this dollar display, day, month and year, and you can print. Now let me run this code, and the command is go to transcript and write command qverilog file name. What is file name? Class examples .sv. Now go to transcript and write that. Okay. Now see, we will find a result. Very interesting and logical question. Okay, now see, we are getting the result. Day is 17, month is 8 and year is 1995, and within single line you can print like this, 17 8 1995. So this is what all about this concept. And if you know the concept of that modulus operator and division operator, you will find it quite interesting. So with this, I hope you have understood the concept of modulus and integer operator, and one question that display your date of birth. Very interesting. Just try to play with the operators and you will find very interesting operators out there. So with this, I hope you have understood this concept. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching. Thank you.